Hello, greetings to all of you. In this video I want to show you how you can create a Deriv account. How you can create a Deriv account. So let's go. In this 2023, first of all, you start by creating your email, because you are required to have a functional email address for you to create a Deriv account. So how do you create your email? Let's go down. So how you create your email? You go to your email app, whether Gmail or Yahoo Mail, so whichever one. For instance, I want to use Gmail. You get to your email. Some of you have this email now, so when you tap on this day, you see the email address. So in case you don't have email address, so what you do, you just tap on this add. So when you tap on add, they will ask you to create something. This is Google. You tap on Google, right? So when you tap on Google now, you allow it to load over time. So once it loads, just wait and see. So once they load and open this way, sometimes they will ask you to open your phone security. Once you open it, they will bring you this way. So you have to click on create account. If that is, this process is only if you don't have email, but if you have email, you don't need to go through this process. Or better still, but I want to take you from scratch in case you don't have email. That's how to create email. But if you have email, you don't need to go through all these processes. So now you click on create account, then to manage business, right? So when you click to manage business, you fill your name. Like, let me see, you don't have email already. I just want to show you my name, Donval, right? My name, Donval. Let me type here 2023, maybe as my email. I click on next. So when you click on next now, they'll ask you for the month of birth. You put your month of birth, right? You put your month of birth. You choose gender as like an email, right? So you click on next as well. So when you click on next now, they'll suggest these emails for you. See, my name donval@gmail.com. Then you choose one you like from this already suggested. I just choose the first one, my name donval@gmail.com, and click on what's next. So when I click on next, they will ask me for password. Then I'll lock you. So after creating a password, you just create a password you will remember at all time. Then you click on next down there. So when you click on next now, they will bring up this page. You click yes, I'm in. When you click yes, I'm in, they will look at the email here. Then you click on next again. So when you click on next, then you scroll up and agree. You see the agree now. So once you agree, just watch out, you agree. Allow network to load. This network problem, so it will synchronize this way. So after synchronizing, the account is ready. So how do you see the email now? You click on this initial, the already email here. When you tap on that initial now, if you look here, you see the one I just created now, my name donval@gmail.com, right? So now you have to know this email. You carry it or you copy it out. Then let's proceed to create Deriv account. So how do you go there? Then you go use deriv.com, or you tap on this particular link. Let me show you. You can tap on deriv.com. What is good, you follow us up, right? Let me tap on this link, which is below the video as well, right? Let me find it. Yes, you tap on this thing, or you tap on deriv.com, but I recommend you tap on this one, right? So when you tap on it now, remember you have gotten your email. So now to create Deriv account, once you tap on it, right? So network is bad, it's coming. So once you tap on it now, it will bring up this page to you, right? It will bring up this page. You allow it to load. Once it successfully load, this one will turn red, right? So you allow it to successfully load, because if you don't have a friendly network, this place will look blank, just like the way you see it now. So let's see if network will normalize. I just refreshed it. You see Deriv. I said you can use deriv.com, or you use the link given to you, right? So whichever one. So when you tap on it, you wait. So you can see, here I have logged in already. Let me check out. You can see now the button has highlighted very red. So you click on create free demo, right? You click on what? Create free demo. You just tap on it, you allow it. So once it will take you to this place. Now you enter your email. Remember I said you must not create a new one. If you have a functional email, you can use it, but in case you don't have, that's why I take you to the process on how to create it. Then I enter my email, my name, right? Donval, my name Donval, right? That's the email I just created at Gmail, right? Gmail.com. You put your email here, then and agree. Once you put your email, you click on this button to agree. So when you click on it, this place will highlight. You now click on what? Create demo account. Do you understand? So once you click on it, then they will send you email to that email you just entered now. So what do? You go to our email, right? You go to our email. This is our email. Remember, this is the current email on function, so I have to swap it to that new one so that I can be able to see the mail they sent to me. You see it? They say one more step to create Deriv. You see, look at their symbol. That's the message they sent you. Just open it. So once you open it now, you click on what? Verify my email. When you click on verify my email, sorry, they will take you back. You just hold on for them, because they will take you back to somewhere, right? So you allow it to load. You see, just like as we are waiting, we allow it to load and load and load. So once it's finished loading, they'll ask you to choose your country, right? Your country is Nigeria. You select your country. If your country is not Nigeria, you select your own country. But in this case, my country is Nigeria, right? I'll just choose what? Nigeria, right? Nigeria will enter. I will click on what? Next. So when you click on next, you say, are you a citizen of Nigeria? Yes, I'm a citizen. So here they will give you a space to create a password. So you can just find one functional password you can always remember and enter it there. So after putting your password, make sure this thing highlights green. That shows that your password is strong. So if I have just added your password and everything is still red, that means it's not strong. So add it so that it will be strong, so that this place will turn what? Green. Then you click on start trading, right? So when you click on start trading, congratulations. So you allow it, depending on your location network. So they will bring you to this interface, right? If you watch here, you have this dot. You can watch, click on it to go to the last. You click on what? Trade, right? You click on trade. You click on what? Start trading here, right? Network. So let me come. You see your demo account is already ready here. You look at it here. So it's ready, right? If you like, you click on this one, D trade, right? You click on D trade, not like that's where you click. So once you click, the money that you are seeing here will immediately go up. You see it? Your demo account is ready now. Look at the $10,000 they have given to you to practice, right? This is a visual account. So how then do you generate? This is the first phase. We started from creating what? Email address. From creating email address to creating this demo. Then the next phase now, which is the third phase, is to generate MT5 ID for this demo account, because you just created a broker account, but you have not gotten license to access MetaTrader 5 platform, which is the market environment. So how do you get it? You just come up here. You see this pop down menu here. So when you tap on that pop down menu, you see what? Demo. You see rare, right? Let me show you. So in this case now, we have created demo. Look at the symbol here. So this symbol shows is demo. You see D, then $10,000. So the next one now, so I wanted us to generate the demo ID. Do you understand? Before now, the easiest way is to, once you create the demo, you generate the demo ID. But by the recent development on this Deriv, so what you do when you click here, instead of generating the demo ID, you have to click create the real account first. So what do you do? Once you click pop down menu here, right, you tap on real. That's how to create the real account. Remember, you have created the demo account, then you see Deriv account, add. You click on add. So once you add now, they will bring you to this interface. Look at different accounts you can create. You have US dollar, you have Europe, you have pounds, you have Australian and BTC, USDT and everything. So but I recommend you choose what US dollar is friendly enough. So we choose what US dollar. Once you choose US dollar, remember we are creating real accounts. We have created them already. You click on next. So when you click on next now, they'll ask you to fill your name. So whatever name you are filling here, you have to be very sensitive here. It must be in line with the way it is written on your ID, either national ID, driver's license, or any of this ID, because of your KYC. So you fill your name according to the way it appears on your ID. Your first name, you put it, right? You put your first name. Let me put what do you call it? My name, Donval, right? Let me put here, okay, right? So remember, I just want to use this one and show you how you can do it. Not that this is my actual account, right? I have account. I just want to show you how to create account, right? Then date of birth, you choose date of birth, which must also be in line with your ID, the one that is your ID. You put it anything of your choice. So if you want to choose once you come here, right, look at the secret. You see this place is written 2005. So if you want to use this arrow, to adjust and find 2000 and anything, you waste time. So tap on this number here, 2005, so that it will bring the horizontal. Then you scroll and choose the year, like 1988, right? Then you can now come back and choose the month using this arrow front and back, right? Let's say January, then date 20th. You see that is 20th January 1988. Do you see it? You click on what? Set. Once you click on set, it will immediately appear here, right? Then you enter your phone number, right? Your correct phone number, 080 is entering. But you start from what? 80. You know the country code is there, 4445986512. This, then you enter next, right? Once you enter next now, they will ask you to enter your address 1 and address 2, and if by virtue of luck is also supposed to be the way it is on your distance. But if it is not, if you don't have this address here, maybe you have parked somewhere, enter that current address. Then you enter your address. Let me use this one. You see, so I just fill it. We have address 1 and address 2. You can enter the first address you have, then the second address, your town, town, city, your state of provenance. You see, you fill all this column, zip code, you put it there, then everything you put it and click on what next. Once you finish normal, the next button will be highlighted. Make sure you fill all the column, right? You fill it and click on what next. So this place now, you know why I say you should put your name according to the way it is on your ID, because of this KYC, right? So when you come here, they say choose the document type. So you choose the document you want to use and do your verification, whether driver's license or national ID. So in this case, let me choose national ID. You know, I just want to show you what you can do as your own. Once you choose the document type, the next thing is to put the ID number, right? So you put it. You remember this one I'm putting, we will not finish up this thing I just want to give you overview what to do. You say 30, 20, let's say 84, right? Let's say 86. You just type your. So once you finish putting your ID number, once you finish putting the ID number, right? Once you finish putting the ID number, you click on next. It will bring you this page. You know, ID number is a secret something. You don't have to show it open. So you select what? 1, 2, right? So once you select the 1, 2, you agree with these two buttons and click on add account. So once you click on add account, they will rotate. Do you understand? You allow them. You see my real account. You see this symbol, that the symbol for real account is ready. You click on what? Maybe later. Once you click on maybe later, you check up. You know, you see they say my account require verification. Yes, because you know the ID I used to show you is not the right one to this account. I just want to show you the process, but your own, because it is your own, you must follow it validly. So you see the real account, the logo is here. You see 00 is no longer the way it is. So this is your real account. So we have created demo. How do you know the demo? Look at the symbol for real now. Let's go to demo and let me show you something. So when you go to demo, you see that demo. Look at the symbol for demo, right? Look at symbol for real. You see this one has US something. Then this one has what do you call it, demo something. So now, based on the current change or the current changes we have now, if I click on add now, they will take you to add another country something. So now the next phase is not to add anything again, right? The next phase is to generate MT5 IDs. Do you understand? MT5 IDs. MT5 IDs for demo, for both demo and that of the real account. What do you do? Before now, once you click here, you see all those add and add and add. But for now, you have to log out first. Log out here by clicking log out. Before we generate the ID, you log out for easier this thing. So once you log out, you log in again using that your information, your email. You know your email now. My name donval@gmail.com. Then I'll take. So once you enter your email and password, you click on login, right? Once you get it correctly, you immediately see it loading successful, right? You see it loading this way. Do you see? You click on DMT, this one that has the Deriv symbol. You tap on it. Just tap on it. So you allow it to load successful. Then you go ahead and click on that pop down menu. Let's see what will happen. Still it has not come yet. Let me show you. So now the next phase is for us to generate the both demo and real account MetaTrader 5 ID, right? So when you click, you see here is written demo Traders Hub. Do you see it? They say Traders Hub here. Then we have new changes. It's not anybody can tell you this. So when you tap on this thing, you see demo, you see real. If I tap on it now, this place will change. Let's see it load. Once it loads, you see the change here that the real something will come. So but you will not see space. You see the real account now. Do you understand? If you also tap there and tap on demo, you will see what demo account here. But they will not give you room based on this new change. They will not give you room to where to add, or the where to add that what do you call it, the ID, the password, so that you get ID. If you click on the trade, the first one now, click on the pop down menu, they will still be showing you this, right? So but we know the secret. That's why you must follow Donval. So I urge you to follow Donval, because we always show you the last secret behind everything. So how do you get the place to add the ID? Because if you click here by right, you're supposed to have a button show you where to click on add so that you choose password and generate ID, but it's no longer the same at this time around. So what do? What you do, you just do what? You come here, this three menu, right? Once you come this three menu like this, you click exit trader hubs. You must click it, it's a must. That's the secret. It's only Donval that can show you this. That's why you needed to follow us bomber to bomber. Follow us so that we direct you well on any new change made, right? So when you click on this, bam, everything will normalize. So you can now go ahead and click up here. If I click up here now, you see good change. You see it has given us a room to add anything here. But now if I go back and click that place, this is red. You see when you click red, you have room to add you and generate the ID. So but if I go back now, let me show you something. If I go back and click on that explore traders hub, you see, so even if you click on this D trader and have access to click on this place, right, you will not see the space to add anything, to add the ID, right? So that is the secret, one of the secrets I will show you. So but when you chat me on 080 58 98 44 43, that is Donval. So below this video you still see a link to click and chat me direct, so that I will always guide you on how to go successful in this system called Deriv. It's a very wonderful broker. I recommend it to you this 2023. So let's go and finish our this thing. We come here and click what? Exit this, explore this, so that we tap on the pop down menu. Then we click on add. Remember what we are about to do now is to generate the ID so that it will enable us to access MT5 as a license. So then you click on what? Add for demo, right? So when you click on add, remember it's for demo. Let me show you something. I'll show you something before doing this add of a thing. Remember, if you look up here, you see demo. You see it's highlighted. You see red. If we click on red, the underline will go to red. And if you click on demo, it will go to what? Demo. So what we want to add is what? Demo account. You click on this add if you wish, right? So from here, they will give you a space to create a password. So always use one password. You can always remember to do all this password of a thing. Then I'll pick. So after putting your password, remember I told you you have to put your password so that it will be strong. You see everything highlighted green. You click on create Deriv MT5 password, pam. You see, I'll just create it, pam. You see it has marked good, so it's successful. Look at successful. You click on continue, right? Once you click on continue, it will take you to this kind of interface. You see top up, you see trade. If you want to see that IDs you have generated, remember we are still under demo. Then you tap on what? Trade. Look at the trade. You see, look at the trade. Then what is important here, you copy. The broker is Deriv Limited, the server is Drive Demo. Remember it's demo we are working on. Look at the look at how to load demo, the logo. Then look at the ID. This is the ID, the license that will allow you to join MT5. So let us go and log in this demo to our MT5 right away. Then what do? You have to use your pen and paper to copy out the server, the broker, which is Deriv Limited, the server, which is Deriv Demo, then the login ID. You know your password is always closed, so you copy out this thread, but you copy the ID. Make sure you copy it well. Then I copy it. How do we now access MT5? Or let me just hold this one. I can screenshot it and hold. So I will show you how to get MT5 as well, so that you get everything A to Z, right? Now we are through with the demo. How do we create a real account? Remember we have copied all this thing out. I will go back then and go to real. You click on real as well, real account. You click on add. You click on add. Remember the highlight is on real now. You click on add. So once you click on add, the real will bring this thing. It's no longer business as usual. They will pop up this. You have this one, you have this one. Tap on the first one or tap on the second one, whichever one you can tap. Once you tap, you see it's highlighted with a rectangle, right? You go up and click on what? Next. Look at next here. Once you click on next, they will ask you to enter your password. Then you create a strong password there as well. So I just finished creating a password. I'll click on add account, right? I'll add account. You see the account is successful as well. I'll click on maybe later. So you see is 00 now. Remember, it's a real account, is 00, right? If I click on trade now, you will now find out that the server they gave me, this is Deriv server 02. Look at the ID, right? So we have ID for them, we have ID for real. That's how to generate both IDs. We have created, you see this one is 00. Look at you copy out the broker, copy out the server, copy out the ID. That is all. You take note of them. Remember, this one is for real, the other one is for demo. So the next thing now is to go and download MT5, where you will now register this ID and start trading. So I'll go and delete. So we are done creating what? We are done creating what? Our real and demo accounts, isn't it? So what is the next thing? The next thing is for us to get the trading app, which is MT5. That is where Deriv is being traded. So we go to our Play Store, we go to your phone, go to your Play Store. You see Play Store here, tap on it, download MT5, that is MetaTrader 5. So when you come to your what do you call it, your Play Store, you tap MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 5. You see it, look at the first one there. We have Meta 4, we have Meta 5, but we are looking for Meta 5. You click on it, then click on install. You install the app. You allow the installation. So after the installation, you click on what? Open. You click on open, so that the app will load. You allow it this way, right? It will open a demo. You see, look at what is written there. You accept the cookies, accept again, you allow it to load, right? This is FBS demo, but you allow it to load first. Remember, you have gotten our IDs, both the real and what, the demo, and you have noted down your email and the password you use to access your Deriv account, and you have already copied out the Deriv ID and the demo ID. You must have to specify both of them so that you know the one you are logging in at a time, right? This loading will take time sometimes, right? It will take time sometimes to load. You allow it depending on your phone capacity and also depending on the network of your location. Remember, we are talking with Donval. This is DONVALFX. You can always contact me. So remember, this is DONVALFX. You can always contact me through this number written, right? So let us go and check whether our download is done. It's still rotating, so you can always contact me through this number 080 5898 4443. That is plus 234 plus what 234, that is Nigeria number, plus 234 080 5898 4443. That is my contact. And don't hesitate to click the subscription button below. Subscribe to our channel so that you get to know when we post a new video, a new content that will help you grow in the system. So you allow it to load. Don't be in a hurry because it takes time sometimes. So once your